cooking up a little fresh seafood. What's this called, sweetie?
I think it's called spider snail.
Spider snake?
It's not snake. Snail. Like
Snail.
Spiders.
Shells?
Seashell.
Seashell?
Seashell.
Look at these seashells. They were wherever they were.
Spider. No, I think it's tiger.
Tiger?
Tiger or spider?
Spider.
I think.
Looks like more like a spider.
Yeah, it can like.
And
Yeah, maybe it's spider.
got lots of seaweed growing on them. And fresh from the ocean. And they'll cook them up. And then they'll smash them with a hammer and get the meat out, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
How do you know?
I know these things. I've been living in the Philippines a long, long time. Not really, but you know, I've seen it done.
Long time.
Yeah, and I've seen the aftermath too. Big bags, cement bags full of broken shells. All right, living the dream, people. Oh, let me get in there. Just get that. Yeah. There, it comes right out. Right out. Look at that. Ah, delicious.
I think. This one, try this. No. Alright, time to smash.
Hammer time, baby. Hammer time. Hammer time. Hammer time. There's the meat right there. Crack it open.
Yep.
Put it out here and you pull out the meat. Hawishi means delicious in Japanese. Sarap in Tagalog.
Bisaya.